Looking to switch between a cash account and a margin account on Robinhood? Here's how to change your account type. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Before proceeding, make sure your account is verified. Now tap on the account icon here at the top right, then go to Settings. Select Robinhood Gold if you want to enable margin trading. You will need to upgrade to Gold and agree to their terms. If you are already on margin and want to switch to a cash account, you will have to contact Robinhood support directly through the help section. Search downgrade to cash account and follow the prompts to message support. You may have to wait for your account to settle or clear any outstanding margin balances first. Have you ever used margin before? Or are you thinking about switching? Let's talk in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.